everybody. Today we are taking a ride of East Zayante to Upper Zayante. Turns into a pretty rough little mountain road, perfect for these little bikes. If you take a left right here, you could go to Loch Lomond Reservoir. Got a little video on that. Great place to go check out. I'd highly recommend it. But yeah, I've been pretty busy lately trying to find some time to go a little bit further, but figured in the meantime this would be a good little ride. Not too far out of the way for me. Fun little road if you've got a dual sport like this. This road will run into Summit Road right about at Bear Creek Road. Lots of residences down here in this area, as you can see. Not too far up here, it gets a little more remote. Yeah, I've been busy between work and yard work. When you live in the mountains out here, it's yard work every weekend pretty much. But it's worth it. Liking the new tires. They don't feel quite as sticky for sure as the tires I was running. What were they? They were Pilot Power 2s, I believe. Those feel a little stickier, but I figured it would be nice to have a little more longevity because those ones do not last long. So can't push it too hard or as hard, although realistically I'm probably not going to be pushing these to the edge or any further than I would have pushed those. But if there is definitely a confidence difference between the two. It's a little chilly out here, at least for me. I think it's about 45 degrees last I checked. No, it's not as cold as some of you guys are out there riding. I've seen some guys out riding in snow. But for me, thank goodness for heated grips and a heated jacket. Makes it pretty well tolerable. Not too bothered at all. My legs could be a little warmer, but not too bad. Probably start commuting to work pretty soon here. Seems like all the rain is done. Certainly been warming up during the days. Today is a little chilly, on the chilly side. overall it seems like it's been getting warmer around here. Yeah, this road gets a little bit rough a little further up here. Pretty funny that I've been on it maybe twice now, I think I've been on it more than once. First time on it, had the girlfriend on the back, and I was coming around one of these corners and we hit a pretty good dip and almost bucked her off. Hindsight's pretty funny, but she got a pretty good bruise on her leg, I think, if I remember right. The motor loves this weather. Keeps it nice and cool. Density in the air. It is a little one-laney, as you can see, but it's not too often frequented, so be a little careful. But it's not like going down Summit Road. Summit Road, there's quite a bit of traffic will be seen, and it gets pretty one-laney like this. I'll be doing a ride on Summit Road sometime in the near future as well. I have plans for that. Give you a little history on it. There's some pretty good bit of history on that road. Some hotels, I think, and railroad stuff. Thanks to everyone who's commented on my videos lately. It's pretty cool to see that some people are finding some interest in it. Many great roads out here. fulfilling some kind of niche. I do plan on, actually that might have been the dip right there that almost lost my girlfriend. But yeah, if I was probably searching around for videos like these, and I think that's why I decided I should make some videos and just kind of keep track of some of these roads. They're so good out here, especially for these little bikes. Dusty on the road. You know, this may be one of my favorites for a little supermoto, actually, out here. Than I remembered too, which is great. I like these longer roads. Sometimes I'll go down a road and it turns out much shorter than I remembered it. It's nice to be able to actually get warmed up a little bit. Perfect little switchbacks. Just careful when you get to these little dirt spots. Yeah, thanks too also for the all the road recommendations. I certainly am not an expert out here, just showing the roads that I know. I'm sure there's plenty more good ones out there. Here's where you run into Summit Road to the right. To the left right here, you'll see you run right into Bear Creek. Both fun roads as well. Anyways, like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. And I will see you guys next time.